Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search by categories on Fiverr, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go to the third option at the bottom of the screen, click on that magnifier, and then you can see the categories section. So you have to choose one topic, let's say graphics and design, and then you can see subcategories like logo and brand identity, art and illustration, and so on. So click on that one that you are looking for, let's say logo design, and here you can see that you can sort by style, service includes, or seller level. And then sorry, let's go back. And then you will see a bunch of services, and if you like one of them, click on that one, and after that you will see a lot of information about that service, and then you can place an order if you would like to purchase that service. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.